Hi everyone, and happy Monday. I hope you all are having such a good morning. Well, I'm pretty excited because sweater weather is officially here. The past couple days have been so cozy and chilly, and it just makes me so excited to show you girls more of a variety of all of the sweaters that we have rolling into Loretta, and they are good. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Again, we're getting in these great sweaters from Italy that feel like butter. And if you haven't been in to just touch them, you have to come in and feel them because I can't even describe how great and buttery they are. This one's really great because it's gonna be kind of that shorter length. So if you're someone who's on the shorter side, this is for you. It's gonna be a great little length. It's gonna hit you right about at the hip bone. And it has a great longer sleeve that's dolman. So this you can either leave down or you can scrunch up, which is a really great look too. And then it's gonna have almost just a higher round neck. It's a timeless classic sweater. Christmas is gonna be here before we know it, and we're gonna need that great red sweater to just kind of have in our closet on hand. So I love this. It also comes in a black style as well. I love a good turtleneck, and I know some of you are thinking, oh my gosh, I can't stand a turtleneck. They're so close to my neck. We were very cognizant when we were ordering our sweaters this season. We grabbed some turtlenecks that are looser. So this is going to kind of drape on your neck. It's not gonna be restraining or strangle you at all. And this one has a really great rib style. Again, I say it time and time again, for fall and winter, I love texture. This is the time to add texture to your wardrobe and to your outfits. This one has a really great ribbed texture, which is just so cozy and fun. We had to get it in a black option. Black goes with everything, let's face it. It's easy, it's slimming, it's our go-to, and in my opinion, you can never have enough black sweaters in your closet. Now we're gonna get into novelty sweaters. So of course we love those classic solid color sweaters, but we like to play around a little bit too and keep things interesting in our wardrobe. So we picked up some great novelty sweaters for you girls. We've shown this one to you before, and you girls sold it out in minutes. So we brought it back. It's a great little comic book print, and I love this because it has your black and white that you can pair back with your black pants or your jeans, and then it just has those pops of color that just makes this sweater so much fun. And this one feels like just silky, yummy butter. It is so good. And this is a lightweight sweater too, so this one's really good for layering. I love this color. It's almost between a mustard and a chartreuse, so it has really, really pretty tones in it. And this is a great color if you have a lot of black and gray and white in your wardrobe and you want to add just a fun new splash of color. This is going to be the color to gravitate towards this season. It has a really fun design right down the middle. It's kind of like a zigzag. I hope you girls can see. And then they added some fringe at the bottom. So how fun is that? Tie-dye is back. It is going to be all the rage going into the season. So we brought in this great little tie-dye piece for you girls. This one is more on the casual side, which I love. It's boxy, a little bit oversized. It has a great V-neck with a little bit of sparkle. This one I know is gonna look fabulous on anyone. If you just are sitting at home and you just wanna be comfy and cozy in a big fun sweater, this is gonna be a great go-to. We love it almost as much as we love our leopard. Camo is just a really, really fun print to have. This one is more of a layering piece, which I think is so cool. So I can see this with a game changer or a longer tank top because this one is a little bit shorter in the front, and then it has a drawstring, so you can kind of adjust it and play with it accordingly. This kind of forest green is the shade that I just love. I think it looks good on everybody. So we brought in a couple styles in the color. So this is a great lightweight one. It's gonna have ribbing on the sleeve and a little bit on the side. Really lightweight, really silky. This one you can even do just a fun little messy front tuck with your joggers, and it's gonna have that higher neckline. So this is one that's so flattering on a bunch of different people. Next, we're getting into our chunky sweaters. So you girls who just love to be warm and cozy and you love those chunky cardigans, this is for you. I am loving this piece. So it's just a chunky green cardigan, and how fun is this sleeve? I can't get over how great this design is. It almost looks like a popcorn sleeve. I'm just dying to see this on, so you girls have to come in and model it for me. Going back to those slouchy turtlenecks that I was talking about, this is a really great piece. So it's going to be just a little bit shorter. It's gonna have a big cozy sleeve and a big slouchy, yummy turtleneck. So I love this. I'm just touching this makes me want to go get like a pumpkin spice latte and hang out by the fire. Then we brought in a few bottoms too. So like I've mentioned before, I love houndstooth for fall. I think it's the fall staple print. So we got in some really cute pants. These fun joggers just came in. We got them in blue, and we have a black and white option. They're kind of like the joggers we've been doing, but more of a fall pattern, of course, and the texture is gonna be just a little bit different, more appropriate for the cooler weather. These are one size. They magically fit everybody and look good on everybody. To switch it up a little bit, we just brought in this style. It's going to be slightly dressier, but still very, very casual. This one's gonna be just high-waisted, and then it came with this fun little belt, which I love. You can do this and then just do a fun little messy tuck so that belt can show. And it's just the cutest look ever. You can pop on a little pair of loafers and you're good to go. This is a fun little jogger. Look at this little zipper detail that goes all the way down. So it has a zipper and just a line of glitter too, which I think is so, so cute. Well, I hope you girls are just as excited about the season changing as I am. I'm so ready to jump into one of these cozy, warm sweaters. And until then, have a great week, stay safe, and come in and see us. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.